You've likely heard about NAD by now. It seems like everyone from Gwyneth Paltrow to the media to your quirky uncle is talking about it. But what actually is NAD, and is it right for you? Let's dive into this. First off, NAD. NAD, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a molecule found in every cell of our body. Think of it like a helper molecule that assists with turning food into energy. It's involved in more than 500 chemical reactions, including those involved in DNA repair, immune response, and protecting against age-related decline. As we get older, our NAD levels naturally decrease, which has been linked to a bunch of not-so-good stuff like increased inflammation, lower cartilage repair, reduced energy, faster cognitive decline, and accelerated aging. So how do we fight back? Enter NAD boosters. To popular ones are NMN and NR. NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, and N, or nicotinamide riboside. These are like building blocks that can increase the amount of NAD in our cells. Some small studies have suggested that boosting NAD levels might help with things like metabolic health, insulin sensitivity, and even cognitive function. However, larger studies are needed to confirm these findings. But wait, there are some caveats. While there's quite a bit of research on NAD, most of the robust evidence comes from studies on animals, not humans. Also, supplements containing NR and NMN aren't approved by the FDA for anti-aging or any other purposes. And when it comes to taking NAD orally, there's a significant challenge. The gut bacteria can break it down before it gets to the bloodstream, making it less effective. That said, researchers are exploring other ways to boost NAD, like combining NAD boosters with senolytic agents. Senolytics are compounds that selectively eliminate aged or senescent cells. A study published in Nature by researchers at the Mayo Clinic and the University of Texas Health Science Center at San Antonio proposes that combining these two approaches could help extend lifespan and reduce age-related dysfunction. It's also worth noting that there is ongoing research into the use of peptides as anti-aging agents. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that play various roles in the body. Some peptides like GHK, epithalon, MOTSC, and FOXO for DRE are being studied for their potential anti-aging effects. They may help with gene expression, antioxidant activity, immune health, and tissue repair. But we need more human studies to understand their effectiveness. Many peptide-based therapies are largely experimental or marketed without regulatory approval. Alright, let's sum things up. NAD definitely has promise as an anti-aging tool, but it's still early days. We need more research, especially human studies, to know for sure if it's a game changer. If you're considering taking NAD supplements, talk to your healthcare provider first, especially if you're on meds or have health conditions. And remember, all the usual advice applies. Eat well, exercise regularly, sleep well, and manage stress. Those things still form the foundation of healthy aging. Please like and subscribe to see more.